Ladies and gentlemen, second batch contestants for the surge of Mrs. Forwards. Switch the competition kicks off with our contestant number 11, 25 years of age. She stands 5'9" and she measures 32, 24, and 32. From the beautiful province of Surigao, representing the volleyball